Hello, good morning everyone. In this time of online classes, I am going to take up a very important chapter in English grammar, which is said to be the base of English grammar and language. And the name of the chapter is tense. Dear students, you have studied this chapter in all your previous classes, but the revision and the consolidation of the chapter is very important. For this reason, now I wish that you revise your knowledge of tense and strengthen the skill of English speaking. Right now, I am going to start. Very first thing about the chapter is present tense, past tense and future. All these three tenses have four forms. You can say first, second, third and fourth. The name of the first one is present indefinite. Fourth, second, continuous. Third, perfect. I mean to say present perfect. And fourth one is present continuous. Similarly, number 5, past indefinite. Number 6, past continuous. Number 7, present perfect. And number 8, present perfect, past perfect continuous. 9, 10, 11, 12 are applicable for future. Now, to start with first one, present indefinite. When I say A and I, it means affirmative structure, negative structure and interrogative structure. Be very clear. Under present indefinite, we use first form of the verb and S or ES. But I must tell you that when we use S or ES, only when he, she, it or any singular name is there. Otherwise not. Example, I will be giving in details later on. With I, we, you, we need not use of S or ES. When we form the negative, do not and does not. With I, we, you, they, we use do not. With he, she, it or third person singular, we use does not. And when we form interrogative, means questions, we use do and does in the beginning of sentence to form interrogative. Now, some very important sentences to give examples. I run, we run, you run, they run. But when our subject is he, she, it, he runs, she runs, it runs, David runs, but Ram and David run. But to form negative, do not. I do not run. My brother does not run. She does not cook. He does not cook. We do not go. You do not play tennis. So with these examples, I hope you understand the importance of present indefinite. Now, you can ask questions also. Do you like bananas? Does your friend like bananas? But do all your friends like bananas? This tense is used for all the things which are true in nature, which are habitual, which are scientifically truth, which are matter of your daily routine, which happen daily. Now, number 2, continuous. Full name is present continuous. Is MR plus ing form of the verb. Example you must learn first where we use this tense and how different it is from the first one. First one is used for the things which happen daily. But this tense is used for the things which are happening right now, which are occurring, which are taking place
फोन आ गया
at the moment of speaking. Now, example is am or ing is used for the things which is happening right now. Example, I am taking class of grammar. Right now I am taking class of grammar. I take English grammar daily. In the comparison of present indefinite, this is far more easier to understand. But the structure must be kept in mind. Is MR plus ing form of the verb. Now students, I am coming to point number 3. We call present perfect. And how different it is from the first two. In this tense, we refer to those things and actions which have taken place. Which are finished, which have already taken place. Right. Example, but before examples, you must know structure. Has or have plus V3, third form of the verb. Again, has or have plus V3, third form of the verb. All the things or places, he, she, it, Ram, we use has. And where all we use first person, I, we, you, they, we use have. Example, he has done it. You have done it. She has done it. We have done it. And number 4, present continuous. Present perfect continuous. Has been or have been ing. Now we must try to distinguish between 2 and 4. 2 is used for the action simply taking place. And number 4 is used, the action has been happening for some time now. For 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, for 2 days, for 3 years, this way. Please pay attention to the structure. The structure is very important. Has, have, been plus ing form of the word. Don't forget, in both the cases, it is important to know that action is taking place, but here without time and here with time. I hope you understand. And I can tell you example in Hindi also, that मैं खेल रहा हूँ, I am playing. मैं सुबह से खेल रहा हूँ, not 2, it is 3. I have been playing since morning. I hope that the first 4 forms are understood. And in this small video, you shall try to revise the uses of the 4 forms and you will be well acquainted with the verb forms. In the next video, I will take up the next 4 forms. Number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, which refer to the past actions. Thank you.